This conference will now be recorded.
Right, let's start today's session. In the last session, we discussed few functions of SQL Server, like date-time functions, single row functions, multi-row functions, like aggregate functions we discussed. So in this session, I'm going to discuss few more important functions in SQL Server. So first function I want to discuss EvoMonth functions. That means end of the month, end of the month, end of the month. So EvoMonth function means this is end of the month actually. This function is used to find out what is the what is the month end. What is the month end? For example, if I pass November, November month end is what? 30. December month end is what? 31st. If you provide specified date, for that specified date, November month, this particular month end of the day it will be written. End of the day it will written. For example, you can see this. Here I'm taking select select evo month evo month of get date get date get date. So get date means current system date and time. Whenever I execute this one, so this month end of the day is what? 30 only. Today is 30 only, but end of the day is also 30. But not like this. We can pass select evo month evo month of your specified date. Specified date means 2019 03 03, that means March month. 12 is the date, but March month end of the day is how much? 31st. 31st. Or else, or else we can go with a different thing. 2016 is a leap year. 2016 is a leap year. 02 is a month. Date is 12 only, but it can provide any date, but it written finally 2016 leap year, February month. Last day is what? Actually 29. 29. So again, if I'm going to pass 2017 like this, 2017 is a non-leap year. Non-leap year February month, last day is what? 28 only. 28 only. Okay. So this is what actually Evo month will return end of the month. End of the month for the specified month and year and day. So it will return last day of the month actually. And this this function will expect some other parameter also, that is optional actually. Month to add function will be there. Month to add, for example, here get date I'm taking. Get date is current date. Now 3 months I'm adding extra. 3 months I'm adding. So this month is what, sir? Actually November month. So from November month 3 months extra added. December, January, February. That means 2020 February month, what last day it is there, that will return, that is 29. Why 29 February 2020 also? It's a leap year, like this. Or else we can go with Evo month of. You can provide your own date like 2017, 2019, 2019, 2019, 05 May month. Okay, May month. Then 23 is the date, comma 5 months. So I'm adding 5 more months to this month. So May, after June, July, August, September, October. October month 2019. What is the last day it will return? So October month 2019 last day is how much, sir? 31st. Here 31st is written or not? So this is about EVO month function. So EVO month function will return end of the month for the specified day. For the specified day. But EVO month function will have optional parameter. EvoMonth function will have optional parameter, that is EvoMonth function is having optional parameter, that is month to add. Month to add. Month to add. Month to add is the function that is optional actually. Month to add is the optional parameter. Let me show quickly EvoMonth how it will work. Now you can see. This is the syntax which I am showing. Now you can see. EvoMonth function introduced in SQL Server 2012. It returns last day of the month for the specified date. Okay, EvoMonth start date, month to add is optional. Whatever I have given in square bracket, so that will be the optional actually here. Okay, so start date means the date of which to return the last day of the month. Month to add means optional. Number of months to add the start date. EvoMonth adds the specified number of months to start date and then return last day of the month clearly. Okay, so this is about EvoMonth function, EvoMonth function, description and example. EvoMonth function, description, example. So just wait. EvoMonth function, description and example. These are the examples what I have given. End of the month, if you want to return, then we can use EvoMonth function. This will work like clearly here. EvoMonth function. Okay. Next function I'm going to discuss. Another function is there. Another function. Now you can see another function. So what is another function means here? Date from parts. Yes, date from parts. What is the use of date from parts actually? You know, date parts means what actually? Day part, month part, year part. Date from parts means you have to provide some parts like day part, month part, year part. Then based on that, it will be arranged the date format completely. So date from part function introduced in SQL Server 2012, it returns the date value of the specified year and month and day. Three parameters compulsory required. And the data type of all three parameters year, month and day is integer format only. If any one of the parameter is invalid, it return error. If any one of the argument value is null, it return null value. Okay, compulsory. We have to provide proper format only. Otherwise, it will give error. So let me check out how it will work out date from parts example. So here I'm taking date from parts example here. Date from parts. Date from parts. So now let's see the practical implementation. Select date from parts. Date from parts. Select date from parts. Date from parts. Here three parameters you must and should be provided. One is date, year. Next one is month. Next one is day. These are all completely perfect format. So 2019 second month February 2012 it will be created. Date from parts. Now next I'm taking 2019 is year. For example, date is I'm giving 32. Day is sorry, month I'm giving 13. Month I'm giving 13, and date is I'm giving 23. 23. But do you have any 13th month? No. You can see this. It shows error. Okay, because 13th month is not there. It shows error actually. Why? Because it is invalid. Which is invalid. Invalid. It is invalid. Invalid. Invalid month. Invalid month. 13. Invalid month 13 that is. 13 is invalid month. Suppose here select date from parts. Date from parts. 2019. 2019. Month is valid only 9 month. 9 month. 9 month means September month. I'm giving here September 31st. But now you can see this September 31st we have? No, we don't have 31st. Understand? It is also invalid. It is also invalid. Invalid, invalid, invalid day. Invalid day 31st. Invalid day 31st. September 31st we don't have. So all three parameters must and should be integers and must be valid only. If it is valid, it will give a result. If it is invalid, date from parts. Date from parts. Then 2019, 2019 and 2, 2019 to, and I'm giving null, just null. If any one of the parameter is null, result will be null. Okay. Any one of the parameter is null, result will be null. All three parameters are perfect, then result will be perfect. And any one of the argument is invalid, then the result will be error. So this is about date from parts examples clearly. Okay. So this is another function like date from parts. So we have one more function here, important function, that is a coalesce function. Coalesce function is there. I'll tell coalesce function with practical implementation. Coalesce function. COALESCE. Coalesce function. coalesce function. Coalesce function. This function is used to return. This function is used to return. This function is used to return first non-null value from rows. First non-null value from rows. What is first non-null value? Okay, this function is used to return the first non-null values from rows. Yes, it return first non-null values only. So what is non-null value? Okay, what is non-null value? So let me create one table here. Okay, let me create one table. Create a table. Table name is create a table. Table name is TBL coalesce. Table name is only TBL coalesce. Okay, create a table. Create table. Table name is TBL coalesce. TBL coalesce. Now here I'm taking ID integer. ID integer. F name. First name. Variable character 10. M name variable character 10. L name varchar 10. So we can see this. This is the creation of table with ID integer name, F name, first name, M name, middle name, last name, L name. Okay. Now let's execute this one. Created table. Now in this I'm inserting the records. Insert into TBL coalesce values of ID number 1, F name Sai, M name null, last name null. Okay, this is, let me take one more thing. Now here it is 2. So here I'm taking first name null, middle name rom, last name null. Second, third value, first name null. I'm taking first name as null. Next, middle name null, last name Krish. Now here I'm taking all names are there. All names. Like this. Now you can see this. Clearly, I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4 records. My table structure should be look like. Whenever I'm going to execute, all 4 records will be affected. Once all 4 records will be affected, how the table structure is there, why we use coalesce function, we will tell. Select star from TBL coalesce. Select star from TBL coalesce. Now let's run this. Now you can see. Observe the table clearly. So F name Sai, middle name null, L name null. Here F name null, middle name is there, last name not there. Here F name not there, middle name not there, last name is there. Here all names are there. But if we have this table like this, from this table, if you want to get any name for compulsory, if user is trying to, if you are trying to get a name from the table, but actually each record will have the name. So if it will check F name is there means first non-null value it return. One name is required compulsory. We should not show end user null value as input. Yes, in the result time we cannot show end user. We cannot show to end user employee name is null. So instead of showing null, at least any name we can take. Either it is first it will go to here F name. Here first non-null value is what, sir? Non-null value. Psi is there, it will return. Second row, it will check F name. F name is null, no? Then immediately it will check M name. M name is not null, it will pick up. Here it will check F name null, it will remove. M name null, it will also remove. And L name is there, Chris, it will return. So here also Sai will return. So in a table, when we have number of rows, if you want to get compulsory a name of the employee, okay, if first name is, suppose at the time of registration he was not mentioned first name, at least you have to get middle name. If he was not mentioned middle name, at least you have to get last name only. compulsory how to display name. So that purpose we use what's our coalesce function. So coalesce function, this function is used to return the first non-null values from the rows. First non-null values from the rows. Suppose how I can pass the command select id select id comma coalesce of coalesce of coalesce of coalesce function f name m name l name any one name as name means alias column name from which table tbl coalesce. Okay, now you can see this whenever I'm going to execute this automatically, so it's clearly available here. So let's both queries can be executed at time coalesce. Now you can see both commands I'm going to execute at a time. So you can see this original table and result table. So first record id, the first non-null value is what's our f name or m name or l name, any one name it will return. As a name means this is the heading actually. So Sai is written. Second record you can see this, first it will go to f name is null, but m name it is there, m name will be written. Third record, first name is null, second name is null, then last name is there clearly, Chris only it is coming. Fourth record, first non-null value is what? Sai only. So if we apply coalesce function, easily we can get the compulsory a name from the record. If we don't have coalesce function, then that won't be apply. F name, if you pass f name null, m name might be null, so there may be chance to get a null values of the names. That's what we are using coalesce function clearly. Okay, so this is about coalesce function. It return first non-null value from the table rows, first non-null values from the table rows. Okay, so this is about coalesce function here. This is also one of the important function in reality to avoid null value references in the real-time cases. Next, I'm talking about another function like cast convert. Yes, it is compulsory required cast convert. Cast convert functions are used to convert from one data type to another data type, one data type to another data type. For example, you can see to convert from one data type to another data type, we use cast and convert functions. We use cast and convert functions. So these are the two syntaxes of cast convert functions. I'll tell what is the syntaxes, how to work with these syntaxes with creating table. I'll tell clearly examples, so you can notice that clearly. Okay, now let's to convert. Sorry, this is not the way. Here I have to place. I'm talking about cast convert function. Cast and convert functions. Cast and convert functions. Cast and convert functions. Now you can see to convert from one data type to another data type, another cast convert function can be used. Okay, syntax of cast convert functions from MSDN, that means Microsoft Development Network only. Microsoft Development Network. These are the syntaxes. Cast syntax will be there, convert syntax will be there. According to these syntaxes, we have to follow how we can convert from one data type to another data type. Okay, first let's create one table here. I'm going to create one table for showing clearly. Create table tbl, just name also clearly. I'm mentioning cast convert of id integer, name variable character 10, variable character of 10. Next, date of birth, I'm taking, it's a column actually, date of birth column. Data type is what's our date time. Date type I'm taking date. So let's execute that. So let's insert few records on this table. Insert into what is the table name? tbl cast convert. Insert into tbl cast convert, values of id number 1, name is Sai, date of birth is 2002 space 9 space 23, its date of birth value. Like this you want, I want to generate three more rows. I want to generate three more records. So three records I'm trying to insert in this table. On these records, we have to apply cast convert function. But difference between cast convert also, you can notice that. Okay, just I'm taking date of birth, Now you can see this here, any date of birth you can use. Suppose 2012 9 that 28. So three records are there. Observe clearly. Execute, execute, execute. Now you can see these three records are completed. Three records are completed. Now let's see the record. Select star from. Select star from. TBL cast convert. Let's run this. We have this table structure. One record, two record, three records, and date of birth clearly I mentioned. This date of birth column data type is what, sir? Dates are. Okay, date. But I want to convert from one data type to another data type. That data type I want to convert as a nvarchar or nvarchar or any other character I want to convert. So how I can convert? Look at here. So how I can convert means this is the way to convert from one data type to another data type. Let's give the examples. Both examples I'll take. Now these are the examples I'm giving. Select ID, name, date of birth. I'm applying cast function. Cast function from TBL cast convert. Here also TBL cast convert. Select ID, name, convert function. Okay. First syntax we can observe. Syntax. What is the syntax? Here. Let me write syntax also here. This is the syntaxes. Select ID, name, date of birth. I want to generate three columns values, ID, name, date of birth. Cast is there, cast function is there. Expression means your date of birth column name. As which data type you want to convert, nvarchar. Okay, numeric variable character. Length I am not giving. Whatever I have given square bracket, that is optional. No need to give here. Length I am not giving. As converted DOB means it's alias column name. One more column it will be generated from TBL cast convert. So now you can see this, it's executed. One more converted DOB also is available. But I don't know whether it was converted and or not. So let's give the nvarchar of suppose 4. 4 means 4 characters only will come from date of birth. Now you can see 20,000, 2002, 1984, 2012 only it's coming. So it's clearly converting. So whenever I mention size, it's clearly converting clearly. This is about cast function. We are converting from date of birth, date type to nvarchar type. Okay. Similarly, it is able to work on convert function also. So convert function syntax is this one. Suppose different syntax it is. I'll tell differences between cast function, convert function syntaxes. Here I'm giving syntax of what function? Convert function. Convert function syntax is this one. Convert is there, here it is convert is there. First only we have to mention data type, which data type if you want to mention, nvarchar, nvarchar. Length is optional, I am not giving length. Expression is date of birth. And style is also optional, I am not giving. Style later I'll give. See, simply I'm saying in the syntax, whatever you give in the square bracket, that is optional actually. Okay, it's not mandatory. Now let's run this. It's also similarly same, no differences. But let me give the length of the nvarchar 4 I'm giving. So that means 4 automatically it will come. So now you can see 4 is coming like this. 4 characters only. Now I'm giving here 12 or 15. So it will come clearly, automatically everything. But the difference between cast and convert function is what, sir? Both are showing same result. The difference is style. Convert function will show different style. According to Microsoft, there are different style format are there. Let me give the style format here. So style numbers also clearly I mentioned here. You can see these are the style numbers. Style number 101 MMDD YYYY. Okay, style and date of birth format actually. Let's apply the style numbers. Now you can see, just wait. So this is about style number. I will apply style number 101 in first case. So 101 here style number I applied. So what is the format? You can notice that it is 101 style number is what's are here mm/dd/yyyy, month/dd/date/yyyy. So if I'm saying 102, 102, 102 style format is what, sir? Like year dot month dot day. So here yy.mm.dd. So like this, you can apply any number. Style number 105 directly I'm applying. So you can check later 105. 105 style number means like this 105. So dd 105 style number look like dd hyphen mm hyphen yyyy. Last one style number is there like 106 also there. So 106 will be look like. So this is 23rd September 2002, 3rd January 1984, 28th September 2012, like this it will be there. Style numbers through it can be able to convert, that is convert function. But whereas cast function don't have any style number. So this is about cast convert function, how to convert from one data type to another data type. Easily we can able to convert according to syntaxes. This is about style conversion. So here I'm giving clearly in this document also style and date format. So you can use these style numbers and data format. Date format. Style numbers are what, are 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. These are the style numbers. So date formats quickly we can write, that is, so here mm/dd/yyyy, mm/dd/yyyy. Style number 102, how it is, sir? Style number 102, yy.mm.dd, yy.mm.dd. Style number 103 also, let me keep here in document, dd/mm/yyyy, dd/mm/yyyy, years 2019, like that it will be there. 104 style will be dd.mm.yy, dd.mm.yy. Next 105, 105. So 105 dd-mm-yy, dd-mm-yy. Last 106 will not be there. Let me keep the 106 also. So let's keep the 106 here. So 106 style, how it will be look like? Here you can see this dd data, okay, space mmm space yyyy, like that. So it will be look like, let me complete that, dd space mmm, okay, then yyyy, like this. So example is I'm giving here, dd means date August 2019, like this example. Okay, this is the formats. So you can use any format like this style number formats here. This is about cast and convert function to convert from one data type to another data type with clear picture. There are two syntaxes are there, cast function, convert function. Both functions are convert from one data type to another data type successfully, but only the thing is cast function will not have any style format, convert function will have completely style format. According to style we can able to maintain. This is about cast convert function clearly. Okay, next another function, important function is there, rank and dense rank. Yes, what is rank function and dense rank functions are? So rank and dense rank functions are used to assign ranking. Yes, rank and dense rank functions are used to assign ranking. So based on their salary or based on their marks, for example, in reality. So according to their marks only we will allot ranks. But what is the difference between rank and dense rank? We'll discuss clearly with creating tables and all. Okay. So here rank and dense rank functions introduced in SQL Server 2005 only. These two functions will returns rank starting at 1 based on the ordering of rows imposed by order by class. Yes, we have to arrange the records in order by class through. Then after we will start ranking. But if you want to work with rank and dense rank functions, compulsory order by class is required. Yes, we have to use order by class, and then partition by class is optional actually. It's not compulsory. Partition by class is optional parameter. Okay. So when the data is partitioned, rank is reset to 1 when partition changes. One partition changes. So what is the difference between rank and dense rank? Rank function skips ranking if there is a tie. If two persons are having same marks or same salary, ranked functions will skip ranking if there is a tie. where dense rank functions will not skip any ranking if there is a tie. This is about rank and dense rank functions. Let's see the practical implementation after creating tables and all. Rank and dense rank functions in SQL Server. Rank and dense rank functions in SQL Server. This is rank and dense rank functions. Let's apply practically so that you can understand clearly. To do practical implementation, I have to create tables as usual. So I'm creating tables like this. How I can create tables? Already table creation script is there. Let's create tables like this. Okay, let's create table. So I'm trying to create a few tables, few records with 10 records like this. And while creating tables also, notice that wantedly I'm creating two employees salaries are same. Two employee salaries are same. Now you can see here. I'm creating a table clearly. Create table. Table name is what, sir? Employees. ID column is there. Integer type. Primary key is there. You know primary key is uniquely identify each record. Name envarchar 50. Gender envarchar of 10. Salary is integer type. Let's execute this table. Table is created successfully. Once table is created, just I'm inserting the records. How to insert? You know this. Insert into table name employees values. Like 10 records I'm inserting. So first two employees I wantedly I'm making 8,000, 8,000, 250 people are there, Mark and John. Okay, so the records will be look like, but whenever I'm seeing this select star from employees, select star from employees, select star from employees. So the table you can observe clearly. I'm making this table clearly. You can see 10 records are there, 10 rows are there here, name, gender, salary, and these two salary people are having they like 8,000. These two people are having tie between them, but remaining people are having low salary. Based on the salary, I want to allot ranking for them. But to allot ranking for them, we use two functions. One is rank function, another one is dense rank function. But rank function, what it will do, dense rank function, what it will do, we'll see practical implementation. What is the difference exactly? Okay, so let's apply rank function, dense rank functions in our SQL Server editor. Both I am going to apply at a time. Now, select name, salary, gender. Okay, select name, salary, gender. Or else first we will make a gender, then after we will make salary, comma, salary. Rank function I am applying. Over is a keyword. Over where we are applying order by salary DESC. Yes, we have to arrange salary descending order only. Whenever we arrange salary descending order, automatically highest salary people will go to top and lowest salary people will go to last. Then we can easily arrange the rank. Salary DSC as rank. As rank means it's alias column name, just a temporary column name. Again, I'm applying dense rank also over order by salary DSC as dense rank. Sir, why you keep the rank function square bracket but dense rank function not square bracket? Yes, why I'm taking square bracket means to avoid confusion. So whenever I'm not giving square bracket for rank function, it will be treated as a built-in function, but it's not a built-in function, just column name it is. So that's what, to avoid that conflict, we use rank. Now let's apply this. Now you can see it. Result you can observe, notice that. Rank function will assign rank for these people, Mark 1 rank, dense rank also 1. And John also 8,000, same salary is there. That's what, this is also rank 1, this is also rank 1. But notice that rank function will skip ranking. Yes, third person is having 7,000, but one rank was skipped by rank function. 2 is not allotted to anyone, but dense rank function will not skip any ranking even there is a tie between them. So second rank goes to third one. That's what one rank is going to be reduced here, 9th up to 9th, here 10 only it's coming. So if the two persons are having tie, then for them same rank will be allotted, but now third person will not get next rank. So third person will not get second rank, it will get he will get third rank, which is by rank. So rank function will skip ranking when there is a tie. Dense rank function will not skip any ranking even there is a tie. This is the difference between rank and dense rank. Understand? Yes. But so we here in this example, we are using clearly order by class. We are using clearly order by. So order by is required. But sir, when it is partition by is required. Partition by means what? Here you can see in my table, So some people are male employees, some people are female employees are there, but I want to partition this table two parts, like male employees separate, female employees separate, then start the ranking of assignment of males and separate, females and separate. So in male category, who is having highest salary, he will get obviously first rank. In female category, who is having highest salary, he will get obviously second rank, no matter it is. Okay, so two categories I want to apply. For that purpose, what I can do, so I can apply only same command without partition. This is, I'm giving comment without partition. So here I'm taking one more time, with partition I'm taking. Both the ways we'll see now. With partition. With partition means compulsory partition by class is required. You can see this here, I'm adding just partition by. Partition by gender or order by salary. Same, that is only I'm changing. Here partition by gender, order by salary. Partition by gender, order by salary. So same thing we can apply, only partition will be divided. Partition means what? Male employee separate, female employee separate. Now you can see female. Sir, why female? It's coming first. F is a letter, first alphabetical. M is a letter. That's what male letter came. So in female, there is no tie, because all female members are having unique salary 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 ranking all there. But when it comes to male people, again there is a tie. So those who are having tie people, rank function will allot same rank 1 and 1, and dense rank also will allot 1 and 1. But rank will skip the ranking. Second rank will not assign to anyone. But dense rank function will not skip the ranking. Second rank goes to next immediate salary person. So this is about rank and dense rank function and difference also. So rank and dense rank functions can be used to allot ranking for the employees based on their salary, based on their marks, something like this. Okay, so this is the way to work with rank and dense rank functions. These two are important functions again. Okay, difference is what? Rank function will skip the ranking when there is a tie. Dense rank function will not skip the ranking even there is a tie. Okay, this is about rank and dense rank function. And one more function is there, another important function like running total will be there. Running total. So what is running total function? How to work with running total, we'll see now. This is about running total. Running total is very simple. If you want to calculate the uh, total values from the table, then we can use running total. When we can use running total. Okay, so this is running total actually. So the thing is, I want to create one table. Already I think table, let me write something about running total. Running total, but observe clearly, there is no function called running total. Okay, there is no function called running total. Just running total means we can add column values row by row and find running total running total running total for every record after. Yes, we can add column values, row by row, and find the running total for every record after. Every record after we can find running total. So I'll tell the example so that you can understand what is running total exactly. Okay, so you can see this. I have example here. For that example, I am creating one table again. Let's create table. I'm taking employees 1. Already employees table is there. That's what I'm taking, employees 1. So now execute this, it's coming like this. And I'm making here employees 1, 1, 1 every time. So 10 records are there. Now you can see this. Let's insert the records like. Now after that, let me select star from employees 1. Let's run this. We have table, we have table like this. So running total means I want to if you want to complete some of the records, you can complete that, no matter it is. Select sum of salary, that total result will come. But as per your requirements are up to three rows, what is the sum of the employee salaries? Like up to 8 rows, what is the sum of the employee salary? Up to 10 rows, what is the sum of the employee salary? We can't get. We can get completely sum of the salaries. Okay. But here you can see this, to get employee sum of the salary, sum of salary from employees, employees 1, sum of salaries from employees 1, sum of the salaries from employees 1. No matter, we can get this sum of the salaries is, you know, that lastly 5,000, 51,500 only. But if I am asking the question to you, what about to find some of the salaries up to third records, up to 5 records, up to 7 records, up to 8 records? So then we can use running total. Okay, let's do that running total clearly, how it is possible. So SQL Server to compute running total without partition. Without partition, I'm going to use running total computing. So how you can see this. So select name, gender, salary, sum of salary over order by ID. Yes, based on ID, I'm going to do running total. Now employees 1. Now you can see running total. I'm going to find out every record running total is computing and it's going to be added. Now look at here, 5,000 running total column, you can check out. 5,000 plus 4, 5, 9, 5. 9, 5 plus 5, 5, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 3, 5, 22, 5. 22, 5 plus 7, 27, 5. Like this, you can easily find out by observing up to sixth record, what is some of the salaries. I want to pay only 5 employees, top 5 employees salary. How much I can pay? 22,500. I want to pay up to 8,000 records. How much should I arrange? 41,000. Our total 10 employees, how much? 51,500. If you want to get row by row column values, then we can use what's our running total. Okay, running total without partitions, without partitions. And with the partitions, if you want, like male people and female people, if you want to go with, then with partition we can use that. Same partition by class can be used, same partition by class. So SQL query to compute running total with partitions. So over partition by gender, order by ID, like employees. Now running total, suppose in this table, if you want to know total, I want to pay salaries first female employees. So how much I can arrange for female employees? We can able to compute like this. Female employees purpose 21,500 is enough. If I want to pay later male employees, again I have to arrange 30,000. Like this partition, this is one partition, this is another partition. So we can use. And another important things are, you just observe here in this running total concept. In the running total concept, I am taking order by ID. Based on order by ID only, I am performing running total. Sir, why don't you find the running total based on order by salary? Yes, order by salary, you should never do running total. There is a problem. So what problem it will be there? You can see this order by salary. So what happens if I use order by on salary column? If we have duplicate values in the salary column, all the duplicate values will be added to the running total at once. In the example below, notice that we have 5,000 repeated 3 times. So 15,000 is added to the running total at once. Let's do that quickly. Running total, what happen if I do order by salary? So select name, salary, sum of salary over order by salary. Order by salary running total, whenever I do, what is happening? You can say this. Wrong thing will happen. 3 5 plus 4 7 5 plus 4 5 is 12 plus 5 7 27. 27 plus 5 how much? 32. But now you can see this, these three columns are invalid columns. If I want to know that up to fourth record, what is the sum of the salary? 27. Up to 5 also 27. Up to 6 also 27. This is wrong. If we have salary column or duplicate, so running total based on salary, we should not find out. Yes, sum of the salary, it's okay. But what about up to fifth record? How much salary? Sum of the salary means 27. It's not correct. Yes or no? So that's what we have to find out running total based on order by ID. Why order by ID? Order by ID is a unique actually. So order by salary is not unique. That's what we should not find out running total order by salary. You should find the running total order by ID. Order by ID means that's a unique actually. That's what we can able to find out. Understand? So this is the way to work with running total. Running total. Running total means every column value we can able to find out the result. Every column value we can able to find out the running total values, and easily we can able to know that how much salaries are there, how much total salaries are there up to 5 employee records, 4 employee records, 10 employee records. We can easily calculate without finding sum of the salary at a time. Yes, we can find out sum of the salary, but you can able to know that sum of the salary means completely total table, how much sum of the salaries are there, you can find out. But if I'm asking the question to you, if I'm asking question to you, how to find the fifth record up to sum of the salaries, sixth record up to sum of the salary, means this is the running total we can able to use. So this is about main important functions what we discussed. And now still some of the functions are there according to situation, we'll discuss later. So next concepts will be discussed in next session. Okay.